behavior that is completely unusual in birds. Yeah, birds never use hands to
Really?
take food to the mouth.
I
Yeah,
can see it very
it's
clearly.
very rare. That is a behavior of primates and animals like that. So this animal actually don't take the food to his hand, but take halfway. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and that is a very unusual behavior in birds, and that's actually because the name of this bird in Portuguese is called with the hand translated.
Okay,
Yeah?
yeah.
Because he eats with the hand. Yeah, it names is com a mão.
It's cool.
Com a mão means Portuguese. In Portuguese means with the hand.